What I am explaining, the most important thing we should listen. In the name of growing spirituality, what is spread science of yoga everywhere in the world? Because of the opening, awakening stage of the consciousness, which we call ascending Dwapar, we start understanding more. But in the beginning of understanding, majority of the people cannot function correctly. Exactly in the same way, if you are the first day student of the school, you are in grade first or somewhere, you start writing ABCD, you cannot write correctly first day. You will draw, you will paint, you will color something. Slowly, you will learn how to write. In the same way, because of this awakening age, because of this growing age, everything starts opening now. Spirituality is coming up. Therefore, there is a mistake in this mass spreading science of yoga. What is called the science of yoga, that is called practical spirituality, it is very much misunderstood by majority. Whereas the Jesus Christ, whereas the teaching of the Gita, Bhagavan Krishna teaching of the Bhagavan Ram and Vasishtha in Ramcharitmanas, teaching of the Kabir Sahib, Nanak Dev Ji, teaching of the Lahiri Mahasaya, teaching of the Vivekanand, you will never find anywhere description of these postures, what we call bodily postures. Our aim is just to practice oneness with the self. Then how to increase this oneness? When you are working in the field, you are just making the field very nicely, land more fertile, then what varieties of the movement you need? We want that. Then you are working how to help plants, a small plant, big plant, all sizes of the plants, then what kind of movement you have to do? You need that. In the same way, remember, in order to serve, when you are serving animals and human beings, then what kind of movement you need? You do not need to put your head down and leg up. You do not need to sit and just bend your body, which we call Paschimottanasana, or shoulder stand, or plow posture, or tree posture. We don't need all those postures. That is very unscientific. Moment you do more and more, you will be mentally weak. Therefore, all gym person, all person who are working in circus, they are mentally weak. Therefore, remember, this is the most important thing. How to practice oneness with the truth. Try to serve earth. You are having carpet, you are having bed, you are having windows, you are having house, you are having your car. Try to serve it, and when you are serving your car, your tools, your carpet, your rooms, then you find many changes within your head to toes. Try to practice oneness with those changes. In the same way, when you start serving plants, in that serving of plant, you do not need to put your head down and leg up. What kind of movement you need? With the help of your leg and arms, back, abdomen, chest and all parts. That movement is important. During service to the plants, whatever changes we realize, appreciate all. Try to practice oneness with that. Apply same principle, same philosophy in serving human beings, in serving all animals. This is called oneness with the self. This is called worship of God. Because changes within what I feel. Oh, I feel flatulence, I feel gas, I feel tightness, I feel pain. This is complete false concept. Pain does not exist. When you open mathematics books, if some questions are very hard, you feel pain. But pain does not mean that math subject is wrong. Something when you feel more and more knowledge, when the knowledge density increases, knowledge concentration increases, then we cannot tolerate that, then we say it is pain. Pain, pleasure does not exist. Pain, pleasure are non-existing things. There exists only one thing, immortal consciousness, which is called omniscient consciousness, which is called ever new joy, and that we feel in the form of herititudes more and more. Just practice these things. Otherwise, remember, the whole life we will have suffering. Just concentrate on head to toes. Practice oneness with self more and more. This is what I request you. I am requesting you means if I am having injury in my 4 fingers, then I have to look after it. In the same way, each and every creation is the part of your existence. I am sitting, I am not anything else. It is your expansion. I am your expansion, and you are my expansion. And this earth and the sky, the whole cosmos, is our own existence. Each and every creation of the cosmos is expanded in the form of this visible creation. Therefore, if you are happy, then I will be happy, otherwise not. If you are in peace, then I will be in peace, otherwise not. Therefore, I request sincerely, practice this great science, oneness with self. Then you will find there is no illness and sickness of any kind. Let us bow down to this great science, Kriya Yoga meditation, and all gurus who are master in the Kriya Yoga and Guru Preceptor.